Ooh, hello, Holly. So welcome to episode 3. Yeah, windows out. So I've taken the window out, taken the rubber off, D-post covers off both sides. Well, outer cover has not come off that side because one of the nuts is rounded. So I'm going to have to cut that off, but that's not important at the moment. I've got all the spot welds cut out the floor. Floor's ready to come out, but having problems with the seatbelt mountings. I put plus cross on them last night. I've tried them before. I've had both impact guns on them. Yeah, dug out my impact Torx T50 sockets, which is what they are, and all it's doing is it's just rounding off the top of the hex. So I've been underneath. I've tried underneath to pull out the split pins and knock out the pin. I'm just going to have to cut them off and buy new. That's what happened last time I did a floor. So, but yeah, it's ready to come out. I decided to do that first, then cross member after. But yeah, tailgate's out. I don't know what I've said before. Tailgate's out. Yeah, so tailgate's off. Light cluster's out. I reckon it's had a new rear cross member. That isn't factory. Bolts from the factory come in from the top, nut at the bottom. It's the other way up. And it's got lots of pigeon snot welding here, under here. But yeah, it's still got original spot welds down there. Let's move the light. Can you see? Original spot welds. So it's weird how they've done it. So yeah, just been cleaning up with the zip wheel to try and find sort of edges of stuff to try and start unpicking. But yeah, I've got one of these new spot weld cutters and it's miles better than the old spot weld grill. But yeah, we're going to have to replace all these side pieces, this one and the spare wheel side. But yeah, apart from that, it's ready to come out. In other news, the bits have arrived for that transmission cover, diff lock lever, the gaskets and stuff, so I'll put that back together at some point. Yeah, so yeah, we've got to replace this side curtain. I don't know whether I'd said that last time. The new one of those arrived today. Yeah, D-post is all shot there, so that's going to need repairs. Yeah, bit of us just there. I got the outer wings off. I don't know whether I got the outer wings off last time, but look how badly corroded that is. So that's the D-post section there. Gold posts are okay, these bits. This side just need localised repairs to where the seat upright latch goes, that area, and then the base is where the filler goes. So yeah, come back to you when I get this floor out. I'm going to have a coffee. It's time for a coffee. We've got it out. Just got the angle grinder on the tops of those bolts and then chiseled them off. Tried to drill them out, but they were too hard. So yeah, it's out. So this piece is going to get replaced. That bit up there will get repaired unless I can buy a new one. I'm watching one. Replace that bit, patch these in, new lips, replace the underfloor supports, those two, repair this piece, cut all this out, new lip down there, repair that, patch and repair here. But yeah, I've got to take the tank out, but I need to see how much fuel's in it. Clean all the chassis, paint the chassis. It's got loads of mud on it, loads of rust on it. Fuel lines need replacing. Corroded as anything. See, this is all loose. Silicone over there. So yeah, that's why I've left that connected. That's the fuel sender. I need to pull that all back through. So yeah, I just need to repair that little bit there, otherwise that's not so bad, that. Yeah, these things, they're always a pain because they're on rubber. And tried to get that split pin out, but it won't come out, and then that one knocked out anyway, so I might see if I can get some second-hand older style seatbelt mounts that clip in. Been at it most of the day, tired now, time to go in for a drink. Yeah, we need to see how much fuel's in that tank. No idea, no idea. Yeah, look, it's full of mud. It's top living, wading through muddy water and everything, off-roading. No plastic tube for the number plate light, so I need to find one of them. Look at it all, everywhere. Look how much is in there. Ridiculous. Should hardly be any here. Yeah, when I was deciding which one to buy, two I was looking at. One was an off-roader, but it actually looked clean, probably in better condition than this. I should have got that one. Been and picked up new gas this morning. Hobby World rather than BOC. I used to get the BOC stuff on rental, but then I started off because I had an account with BOC. But yeah, it got expensive, so I got rid of that. So we've got plenty of gas. Right, I think that'll do for now. See you later, see you in the next one.